Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my personal favorite all-purpose cleaner, Simple Clean, and how to use it. You have 4 different choices on how you can use this product. You have to find out what fits your cleaning purpose. Simple Clean is a non-toxic and biodegradable all-purpose cleaner that really works. You can use it for many different things. For example, floors, kitchen, living room, bathroom, cars, windows. It can even remove laundry stains. Basically, it can be used for over 100 different applications. If you want to find out more about this product, read our review on cleanastic.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.